You open your banking app, and there's $500 just sitting there that you finally don't need for bills. For a second, you feel that little rush. Today's the day you actually start investing. So you open whatever app your cousin told you to download, and you just stare at it. Stock, index fund, pay off that credit card instead. You end up doing a little of everything or nothing at all because the number of options freezes you completely. Most financial influencers will tell you the secret is picking the right investment. But here's the thing almost nobody explains, and it's the thing that actually separates people who build real wealth from people who stay stuck for years. It's not what you invest in. It's the order you do it in. That's the whole secret. There's a specific sequence that determines whether your money multiplies fast or quietly leaks away into fees and interest you didn't need to pay. Get the order right, and average investments turn into serious wealth. My name is DJ, and I spend way too much time thinking about money and why some people effortlessly build wealth while others stay stuck. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly where every dollar should go and why. Before we get into it, is there an actual system behind how you invest right now? A sequence you follow without thinking? Or are you just reacting to whatever feels urgent in the moment? Be honest. It's probably the second one, and that's not a character flaw. Nobody ever taught you this. Picture a series of buckets stacked on top of each other, like a waterfall. You pour water into the top bucket, and it doesn't reach the next one until the first is completely full. Your money should work exactly the same way. Most people never build the waterfall. They just throw water at random buckets and wonder why nothing ever fills. Research from Fidelity has found that roughly a quarter of employees don't contribute enough to get their full 401k match, meaning they're leaving free money on the table every single paycheck because nobody told them that's supposed to be bucket one. So here's the waterfall. Bucket one is your employer match. If your company matches your 401k contributions, that's an instant, guaranteed return before you've invested in anything. Fill this first, no exceptions. Bucket 2 is high-interest debt, anything sitting around 20% or more. Paying off a card at 22% interest is the same as earning a guaranteed 22% return with zero risk, better than the market's long-term average, guaranteed. Bucket 3 is your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, sitting somewhere boring and liquid. This bucket doesn't grow your wealth. It protects everything you're about to build after it. Bucket 4 is the rest of your tax-advantaged retirement accounts, Roth IRA, maxing out your 401k. And Bucket 5, the one everyone wants to jump to first, is a regular brokerage account for anything left over. It's a great bucket. It's just supposed to be last. Here's what that looks like in practice. Say you've got an extra $500 a month and $8,000 in credit card debt at 22%. Split that money evenly between the card and investing, and it takes about 18 months to clear the debt, while the 8% you're earning gets quietly eaten by the 22% you're losing. You're moving backwards. Follow the waterfall instead, and that same $500 goes entirely at the debt first. It's gone in about 8 months instead of 18. Then the full $500 fills your emergency fund in a few more months. Then it flows into your Roth IRA, except now it's not fighting a 22% leak. Same amount saved, a completely different timeline to real wealth. You might be thinking, shouldn't I invest a little the whole time so I don't miss out on the market? But paying off a 22% debt is a guaranteed return no market beats consistently. You're not missing growth by paying off debt first. You're choosing the best guaranteed return available before you take on any risk at all. Something else happens once the waterfall is built. You stop having the same argument with yourself every payday. Before, a bonus meant a week of agonizing. Now it just flows into whichever bucket is filling. Before, a hot stock tip sent you scrambling to move money around. Now you can consider it calmly, because your foundation is already covered. Here's the part that trips people up. Once the waterfall is running, you should actually care less about your individual investment picks, not more. The order did 90% of the heavy lifting. A boring low-cost index fund and a slightly more exciting one perform almost identically over 20 years. I want to be honest about how this usually goes wrong, because I see it constantly. People fill buckets 1 and 2, get excited, and blow their new extra money on a car loan or a vacation charged right back onto that card they just paid off. The waterfall only works if you respect it every month, not just during the exciting first few weeks. Here's the number that puts this in perspective. $5,000 sitting on a card at 22%, making only minimum payments, can cost you more in interest over 5 years than that same $5,000 would have earned you in the market over that stretch. You're not choosing between debt and investing. You're choosing between a guaranteed loss and a guaranteed gain. Following this order isn't going to turn $500 into a fortune overnight. Nothing will. But it means every dollar you save from here on is working as hard as it possibly can. Build the waterfall once, respect it every month, and let it run. Future you is going to look back at this video as the moment it finally clicked.